This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at natural gas. So as we zoom into natural gas, we had almost an inside day, although we did go below yesterday's low on my chart, at least by a tenth of a penny, I believe it was. So um, technically, we don't have an inside day, but you can see how we traded relatively weak in the lower half of yesterday's range, and we have a narrow range day. The key thing here is we dropped down below this rising parallel trend channel, came down, found support, went back up, tested resistance. Resistance held, turned price back down, went through the moving averages, through the trend lines, through the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement, and we remained below those levels and also went below this parallel trend channel, which I added yesterday as well, where we take a this top trend line, bring it down to the bottom, and you can see how we're clearly beyond that as well. So we broke through all our key support levels. Now, what we have for support is this next lower zone from 203 to 195 or so, which comes from these lower swing lows back here. Now, it is possible that we drop down a little bit further to 192 level, which completes an ABCD pattern where the CD leg is extended by the 127.2% Fibonacci extension. Since we're so close, we're heading down there now. I think there's a good chance we do break through these lows back here, or certainly test them more specifically. But downward momentum started up here near the point C. So is selling pressure going to be enough to break through that potential support and then keep going? I think that becomes less likely. That opens up the door to a possible completion of this falling ABCD pattern at this lower level of 192 or somewhere below these previous support levels, similar to what we had over here initially, where we had an initial trend low, rallied, came off again pretty hard and then broke down below that low briefly, but quickly recovered. So a similar type behavior could happen here with price. Anyway, that's what I'm anticipating for now. Of course, a rally above yesterday's high is needed for any signs of strength to 17. That is it for natural gas traders. Have a great week.